I'm gonna live like tomorrow never comes. There's no end in sight. Tonight we black out the sun. Better hold on tight before you know it's gone. And live like tomorrow never comes. Hey everyone, this is Blaze Guitar Lessons. Thanks for tuning in. Really do appreciate it. Want to teach you how to play this song that was requested. So if you guys have other songs please that you want to learn, please let me know in the comments. Mostly do country, like punk and some rock. So yeah, let me know what you want to learn, and I'll do my best to teach it if I can. I can't always guarantee that I will, but I'll do my best to get to them. Okay. So this is Tomorrow Never Comes, and this song is by Zac Brown Band. It's a very easy song. It's like one of their easier songs, I would say, for sure. It's kind of a long song, depending on how much of it you want to do on your acoustic guitar or whatever. So yeah, let's get into it. So please hit like so I know that you enjoyed the video. And it helps more people see the video if you think it's a good one, so that other people can see it when they're searching for them too, okay? So please hit like. Also, I just really like it, okay? So dumb. All right, but yeah, so, and then hit subscribe and the notification bell if you enjoy it, so you can see more tutorials in the future, okay? So you're gonna do capo on the 5th fret and then standard tuning, okay? So you're only gonna use 4 chords for this song, but they're gonna be in various orders, so I'll show you a little bit. So you're gonna start with C, okay, and then G. All right, you're also going to use F, not in this order, but you are going to use F. All right, and then you're going to use A minor. Okay, so when you start the song, they do some picking and stuff. I'm just going to show you how to do just the strumming for it, because it's easier that way, and I'm doing this for beginners. So, but yeah, let's get into it. So you're going to do single strums, okay? I've is C. I've been climbing my way. Okay, way is G, so you just do a C as an I've been climbing my way. Way is G. Way through the sky. Sky is C, okay? Searching, so you do C, G, C, and you do F. Searching for answers. Okay, so F is searching. Answers is C. Answers that I'll is A minor. I'll never find. Okay, find is G. Find. Okay, then you're going to do losing my breath as I fall. Okay, so you do C on losing. G is breath. Breath as I fall. Then you go back to C on fall. Okay? Then what you're going to do is F. Alright, so you're repeating what you did at the beginning. So you're doing C, G, C, F. Alright, C, A minor, G. Learning to fly. Okay, so learning is F. Learning to fly. Fly is C. Letting go. Go is A minor. Go of it all. Alright, all is G. All. And then you're going to do that again. F, C, G, C. Learning to fly, letting go of it all. Sorry, that's not the same thing you just did. You did C, F, C, A minor, G. Then you're doing F, C, G, C. Okay. So one more time. Learning to fly, letting go of it all. Okay, so you're just gonna do single strums there, and I'm using like my fingernail part, so I'm just using that top part right there. All right. You can use a pick if you want to, whatever. It's just going to be a lot louder if you use a pick. Okay, so then for the rest of it, I'm actually just strumming with my thumb. Okay, so then you're going to start over. So after that, letting go of it all. Learning to fly, letting go of it all. You're going to do C. You're going to go, I've been trying to open my eyes. So you're doing down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. Okay, I'm going to walk you through that slower. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, down, down, up, just like that. Down, down, but you're doing it faster. I've been trying to open my eyes. Taking, so you're doing C, G, C, just like you did there. I've, the C. I've been trying to open Open is G. Open my eyes. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay. Then you go to F. Take it all in. In is C. In as the world. World is A minor. World passes by. By is G. By getting a C. Getting lost in the twist. Okay, twist is G. Twist and the turn. So turn is C. Then you always take a little bit longer here, and you're just doing the strumming down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, and then you go to F. Finding is on F, so that's easy. Finding these questions is C. Questions inside is A minor. Inside me still burn is G. Burn. And then you're going to start with F again, but you're going to do F, C, G, C. So you're doing what you did the first time through the verse, but you're doing a faster strumming. You don't have to, but this is what they do. You're doing a faster strumming, and then you're just repeating the chords are the same. So you're doing finding these questions. So finding is F, questions is C, questions inside is G. Inside me still burn. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down. I'm gonna live. Okay, then you're just doing the same strumming, that fast one. Down, down. Gonna live like tomorrow never comes. Okay, so you're doing, for this, it's a very similar strumming pattern you're doing. Gonna live. So you're doing down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. All right. Gonna live like tomorrow never comes. So when you do comes, you're gonna do down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so you're doing down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down for F. All right. I'm gonna live is F. Live like tomorrow never comes. When you get to comes, you're going to do with the C. You're going to do down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. There's no end inside. Tonight we black out the sun. And then, so you see, you're alternating. You're doing on F and G. You're doing the down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So you're just doing down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay. On C and A minor, you're doing down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Okay, so you're gonna go, I'm gonna live. So you see, I'm just doing that down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so you're just alternating this with a down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, I'm gonna live like tomorrow never comes. That's how different that is. There's no end in sight. Tonight we black out the sun. See, so on A minor, I'm doing that. So then I'm going to the down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so you're doing it a little bit different. And then when you go back to F, better hold on tight before you know it's gone. So here's where the chords go. Okay, now I'm just going to walk you through where the chords go for the chorus. You're just going to do, I'm going to live is F, live like tomorrow never comes. Comes a C, so that's easy to remember. Comes, there's no end is G, end in sight. Tonight we black out the sun. Sun is A minor. Sun, better hold is F, hold on tight. Before you know it's gone. Gone is C. Gone. And live is G. And live like tomorrow never comes. Okay, now if you're just going to play it acoustically, there's a couple different things you can do after that. So you know the verse, you know the chorus now. The other things that you can do, so in the album version that I've listened to, then there's like a bunch of just different guitar stuff going on. There's not like a solo, but it's just like a bunch of different instruments and techno stuff going on. What I would do is I would kind of play through the chorus again once, and then if you want to, you can play through the first half of the verse progression, okay, a chord progression, if you want to. Now you don't have to, all right, but nonetheless, when you do it, you're going to be doing the faster strumming. So you could do that. Okay, you could do the F, C, G, A minor. You could do that a few times or something. They do it for like a minute or something, so it's a long time if you're just playing an acoustic guitar. I probably wouldn't do it that way. If you're playing for people, I would just do it like softer and make it more acoustic. But you could just play through the chorus one more time without singing the lyrics, and that would be good. And then you'll go into the second verse. If you want to play it all out, I think they play through the entire first verse. And I think they even throw in like the chorus chord progression as well. There's just a lot in there. It's just a long time to not have a solo or anything if you're just going to be playing it acoustically for yourself or for other people, like an open mic night or something. So if it were me, I wouldn't do it that way. I would just do either run through the chorus again or run through like the first half of the first verse chord progression. Okay, because when you go through the second verse, it's the same chord progression. So you're just but it's a lot shorter. All right, and then you go through the chorus again, and then you're done. So if you don't play it with the huge like interludes or intermediate parts or whatever, it's a much shorter song, but it's still a long enough song and it's really beautiful. I would just shorten that part. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. It's been a lot of fun. I'll see you next time.